1.3 million views, 3,000 followers. Let that sink in. This page is breaking every rule of the algorithm with tiny wooden car videos. 279K here, 261K here, 200K here. And the secret? There is no wood, no workshop, no camera, no skills. It's all AI, and once you see how it's done, you won't believe how stupidly simple it is. But here's my warning. 90% of people watching this will skip to the middle, copy half the method, and wonder why their videos flop. Don't be them, because I've hidden the 3 most valuable things across this video. First, 200% free methods to create these exact videos, including a one-step shortcut where you type one line and AI generates the entire video. Motion, lighting, realism, everything. Second, the trick that changes everything. Upload any image you want, your photo, your product, literally anything, and turn it into a video like this. Wooden cars are just the beginning. Whatever trend blows up next month, you'll be first on it. And third, the mistake that kills every beginner. That tiny AI watermark sitting at the bottom of every one of these videos. Post with it and you're instantly exposed as a copycat. I'll show you the one-click method to erase it completely. Everything you need is in the next few minutes. Skip nothing, because the last 2 tricks are the ones that actually make you money. Method 1 starts now. Alright, step 1, and this takes less than 60 seconds. First, grab my master prompt. It's pinned in the comments below. Just tap it, copy it, done. Now head over to Claude AI, and yes, I'm using the 100% free version. You don't need to pay us. Paste the prompt and hit generate. Now watch what happens. Claude instantly gives you 10 viral car ideas: Supra, GTR, Bugatti, Lamborghini, all the models that are already proven to blow up in this niche. Pick any one you like. I'm going with idea number 4. Copy it, paste it back, type the color you want your car in, and hit generate one more time. And boom! Within seconds, Claude writes every single video prompt for you. 3 to 4 scenes, fully detailed, the carving, the sanding, the painting, the final reveal. No images needed. No writing skills needed. The entire storyboard, done. But here's the thing, these prompts are useless sitting in Claude. The magic happens when we drop them into the next tool. And this tool? This is the exact one that page with 1.3 million views is using. Let me show you. Is using the exact same thing, Google Flow. Open it and click Create with Google Flow, then hit New Project. You'll see an interface like this. Now pay attention, because these settings matter. Click the Settings button, select Video, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, that's the vertical format for Reels and Shorts. Set the number of videos to 1, choose the Google Omni model, and set the video length to 6 or 8 seconds. Get one of these wrong, and your video won't look anything like the viral ones. Now grab that first prompt Claude gave you, paste it in, and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds, and there it is. Your first scene, the hands, the wood, the workshop, completely AI, and it looks real. Now repeat. Second prompt, paste, generate. Third, fourth, same settings every time. Claude gave me 4 prompts, so now I've got all 4 scenes ready. But look closely, there's the flow watermark, sitting right at the bottom. Remember what I told you at the start? Post it like this and you're exposed instantly. Don't worry, the one-click fix is coming, exactly like I promised. First, let's assemble the video. CapCut, hit import and bring in all your clips. Drop them on the timeline in order, carving first, painting, then the final reveal. Adjust the length, add a trending sound, and export. Your video is ready, but hold on, because right now you can only make wooden cars. The next trick removes that limit completely. Any image, any product, any niche. This is the part that actually makes you money. Real quick, if this is helping you, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps. Okay, now the trick I promised you at the start. This is the one that separates you from every wooden car copycat out there. Go to my Google Doc, link in the description, and grab prompt number 2 from the second tab. Copy the whole thing. Now back to Flow AI, paste it in, but this time, change one setting. Set the video length to 10 seconds. And here's the magic part. Upload any image in there, your product, your pet, your own photo, literally anything. Keep the prompt the same, keep the settings the same, hit generate. Look at this. I uploaded a cat photo and got this, then a football and got this, both in the exact same viral miniature style that's blowing up right now. You're no longer stuck making wooden cars. You can turn any product, any brand, any trend into this format. This is how you sell this as a service to businesses. Now, the final piece, the watermark. Here's the one-click fix. Open Google Chrome and add this extension you're seeing on screen right now. That's it. That's the whole setup. Now open Google Flow again and look at the top of every video. A new download button appears. Click it once and your video saves to your device completely clean. No watermark, no trace, nobody can tell it's AI. Every promise from the start of this video, delivered. Now let's watch the final results together.